The structure of personal taxation in the finance bill is considerably simplified one. The main changes introduced in this year's budget aim at simplification of the rate structure of income tax, relieving persons in the lower and small income groups from the burden of compulsory deposits, moderating and readjusting the incidence of tax consistently with the interest of revenue, and introducing the advantage of tax saving in mobilizing greater private savings in the middle and higher income groups. Overlapping surcharges on income tax and super tax have been abolished and replaced by a single surcharge for purposes of the Union. This surcharge operates in respect of unearned income only when such income exceeds rupees 10,000, and in regard to earned income when such income is over rupees 1 lakh. In carrying out these changes in the structure of personal taxation, a somewhat higher incidence of tax might have arisen at some income levels when compared with the incidence of net tax for 1963 to 64, exclusive of the element of compulsory deposit. This has been criticized in the House and outside, and I have been considering whether some concession could be given to lower income groups in the income range up to rupees 20,000. The effect of these changes on married individuals with more than one child, which is the most important category of SSCs, will be to lower the tax payable on earned as well as unearned income as compared to 1963 to 64 rates, excluding the compulsory deposit at all levels of income up to rupees 8,500. On incomes above this level, there will be a reduction except at a few points where the tax payable now will be singly higher, but in no case exceeding 1/5 or 1% of the total income, and these concessions will provide a measure of further relief to these income groups. The annuity deposit scheme in the new scheme of taxation is an important instrument for mobilizing private savings and to counter inflationary trends. The provisions relating to this scheme have already been fully explained, and I need not go into them again. I would therefore confine myself to the changes that are proposed to be made. I had already indicated in my reply to the general discussion in the Lok Sabha that the deposit is proposed to be made optional in the case of persons who are more than 70 years of age. Such persons under the amendment may exercise the option not to make the deposit in the first year of assessment.